Hello Tech Explorers, want to give your Telegram a sleek dark mode look? I got you! In just few taps, you will switch from light to dark like a pro. Let's go! First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now, at the top, you will see a theme icon. Tap on it and select dark mode to instantly switch. But wait, there's more. If you want to customize it even further, go to Settings and tap on Chat Settings. Here, you can tweak the color, choose from different themes, or even set Telegram to switch automatically based on your phone system theme. Are you Team Light mode or Team Dark mode? Drop your answer in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.